In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your status message in Microsoft Teams. Your status message is a simple but powerful way to let your colleagues know what you're doing, when you're available, or how best to reach you. Maybe you're focusing on deep work, stepping away for a meeting, or working from a different time zone. Updating this message helps set expectations and cuts down on unnecessary pings or confusion. Let's walk through how to change it in just a few clicks. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main Teams page, look toward the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This might appear as your photo, your initials inside a colored circle, or a generic user icon if you haven't set a picture yet. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu or panel that shows details related to your account. You'll typically see your name, your current availability status, and a few quick actions and settings. Within this panel, look for your current status message. If you have one set, it might say something like, in a meeting, working from home, or back at 2 p.m. Next to that message, there will be a small pencil icon, which is the universal symbol for edit. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon to edit your status message. When you click it, a text box will appear, allowing you to type a new message or modify the existing one. This is where you can be clear and practical. For example, you can write, focusing on a project, I'll respond to messages after 3 p.m. Or, on leave today, please contact the support channel for urgent issues. Take a moment to think about what information will be most helpful to your team. You might also have options to control how long this status message is displayed. If you see a drop down for duration, you can set it to clear after a certain time, like an hour, the end of the day, or you can leave it until you manually change it again. Choosing a duration helps keep your status accurate without you having to remember to turn it off later. Once you have updated the text and selected any duration options, confirm or save the changes, your new status message is now active and visible to your colleagues when they view your profile or start a chat with you. And that's all there is to it. By regularly updating your status message, you help your team stay in sync and make your